Good afternoon, students. In last lecture, we are already studied what is meant by acid, base, then how will you calculate pH, pOH, and so on. Next point from this topic, ionic equilibria, is the hydrolysis of salt. First of all, what is meant by hydrolysis? Hydrolysis means reaction between ions, that means cations or anions, with water molecules called as hydrolysis. Depending on hydrolysis of salt, there are 4 types of salt. First is the salt of strong acid, strong base. Examples of salt of strong acid, strong base are NaCl, salt of strong acid and strong base, salt is the product of acid and base. Therefore, salt of strong acid and strong base, there are examples: NaCl, KCl, then KBr, then potassium nitrate, sodium sulfate, and etc. These are the examples of strong acid and strong base. Why these are the examples of strong acid and strong base? Let us first example NaCl, sodium chloride. It is the salt which is formed by reaction between strong acid HCl and strong base NaOH. In this way, NaOH plus HCl. This is the neutralization reaction to form NaCl. Therefore, we can say that NaCl is the salt of strong acid, strong base. Then KCl is the example of also salt of strong acid, strong base, which is formed by strong base KOH, potassium hydroxide, and strong acid HCl. Similarly, KBr is the salt of strong base KOH and strong acid HBr. Then potassium nitrate is the salt of strong base potassium hydroxide and strong acid nitric acid HNO3. Then Na2SO4 is the salt of strong base NaOH and strong acid sulfuric acid. Number of times on this point, MCQ, multiple choice question, will be asked. Which of the following is the salt of strong acid, strong base? Then another thing which is important in this point, solution of salt of strong acid, strong base is always neutral. Solution of salt of strong acid and strong base is neutral. We know that when solution is neutral, when pH of the solution is equal to exactly 7, then solution is neutral. Therefore, we can say that pH of solution of salt of strong acid, strong base is 7 and solution is neutral. Then second is the salt of weak acid, strong base, weak acid and strong base. Examples of weak acid, strong base are sodium acetate is the salt of weak acid, acetic acid and strong base NaOH. Then potassium formate is also salt of weak acid, acetic acid and strong base KOH. Second example, third example, NaCN. NaCN is the salt of strong base NaOH and weak acid HCN. Then Na2CO3 is also example of salt of weak acid strong base. Here in this example, weak acid is carbonic acid H2CO3 and strong base NaOH. Then KCN is the salt of strong base potassium hydroxide and weak acid HCN. These are the example. And one thing, solution of salt of weak acid and strong base, solution of salt of weak acid and strong base is basic, and we know that for basic solution pH is always greater than 7. pH is greater than 7. These points are very important, because on this point question will be asked, which of the following salt solution having pH greater than 7? Solution of salt of weak acid and strong base having pH greater than 7, because this solution is basic. Then third type of salt, salt of strong acid, salt of strong acid and weak base. Examples of salt of strong acid and weak base are NH4Cl, ammonium chloride is the salt of strong acid HCl and weak base ammonium hydroxide. Then ammonium nitrate, it is also salt of strong acid nitric acid HNO3 and weak base ammonium hydroxide. Then ammonium sulfate, NH4 twice SO4 is the ammonium sulfate, is the salt of strong acid H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid and weak base ammonium hydroxide. And solution of salt of strong acid and weak base is acidic. Is acidic because in this case excess of H plus ions are remaining in solution, and due to excess of H plus ion this solution will be acidic. And we know that for acidic solution pH is less than 7. pH is less than 7. Then last 4 types of salt, salt of weak acid weak base, salt of weak acid and weak base. Examples of salt of weak acid weak base is ammonium acetate, ammonium acetate. Ammonium acetate is the salt of weak acid acetic acid and weak base ammonium hydroxide. Then another example of weak acid weak base is the ammonium cyanide, is the salt of weak acid HCN and weak base ammonium hydroxide. And third example, ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate is also example of salt of weak acid weak base because it is formed by weak base ammonium hydroxide and weak acid carbonic acid, that is H2CO3. These are the 4 types of salt of hydrolysis of salt. Salt of strong acid, strong base. Most important thing in point is examples of salt of strong acid, strong base, and pH of solution of salt of strong acid, strong base is always 7 because solution is neutral. Then example of salt of weak acid, weak base, and solution is weak acid, weak base, solution is neutral. Then weak acid, strong base, solution is basic, pH is greater than 7, and salt of strong acid, weak base, solution is acidic, pH is less than 7. Then what type of questions are asked on this point? First example, which is asked in previous examination. Question is solution of salt of solution of salt is basic, solution of salt is basic. The salt must be first potassium nitrate, second option sodium cyanide, C option ammonium acetate, and D option ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3. What is the question? Solution of salt is basic. Solution of salt is basic. The salt must be first option potassium nitrate, second option sodium cyanide, third option ammonium acetate, and fourth option is ammonium nitrate. Which of the answer? Basic salt. We know that first is the potassium nitrate, is the salt of strong base KOH and strong acid HNO3. It is a strong base, it is a strong acid, and we know that solution of salt of strong acid, strong base is neutral. That is pH is equal to 7. Therefore, this option is wrong. Second option, sodium cyanide, NaCN, is the salt of strong base, NaOH, and weak acid, HCN. It is a strong base and it is weak acid. We know that salt of weak acid, strong base is basic. That is pH is greater than 7. And this is your correct answer. NaCN is the correct answer. Such type of questions will be asked in your NEET JEE examination.